So now we're going to classify conics from its general equation. So the graph of ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0 is one of the following. So the circle, if it's a circle, we get a equals c. If it's a parabola, if you multiply a times c, you get 0. One is 0, but not both of them. For an ellipse, a times c is greater than 0, so it's positive. They have like signs. If it's a hyperbola, then they have unlike signs. A times c would be negative or less than 0. Note that the test above is valid when the graph is a conic. The test does not apply to equations such as x squared plus y squared equals -1, whose graph is not a conic. Just keep that as a side note. So let's classify conics from general equations. Essentially, you're only looking at A and C. And notice from the equation above, A is next to the x squared, C is next to the y squared. So for this first example, we have A is 4, and then C is 0. So seeing that right away, you know 4 times 0 is 0. Therefore, this is a parabola. For the second example, we have A is 4, C is -1. So if I multiply that together, that's negative. And therefore, this is a hyperbola. For letter C, we notice that A is 2. And then C is 4, so 2 times 4 is positive. Therefore, this is an ellipse. This next one, we have A is 2, C is 2, so A equals C. Therefore, this is a circle. So try these 4 below. So for the first example, that is a circle. For the second example, that is a hyperbola. C is an ellipse, and the last one is a parabola.